here's how we're going to do this foldable. Yes. I gave 3 to Richard, so there should be an extra one. Oh. She needs one. Okay. You see this dark line here in the middle? You're going to fold to it. Fold it. Fold it to it. Just like so. Later, either today or tomorrow, I'm going to give you guys scissors to cut here and here so it opens up. Second period, I ran out of time, so we're going to do it, I don't know when. First period, we were able to do it at the end of the period. So we'll see how far we get. Okay, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I have taught you addition and subtraction, and either on Thursday or Monday, I will teach you divide and multiply. All right, so let's open it up to this on the upper left-hand corner, which is addition. So we're focusing on the addition. Here is the song that some of you learned in 6th grade. So blank, sign, blank, and keep.
Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the one with more, then you'll be exact.
Okay, same sign, add and keep.
Different sign, subtract.
Different sign, subtract. So this is what you did on the do now. You should have looked at those problems and gone, oh, are they the same? Add. Oh, are they different? Subtract. Keep the
sign of the one with more.
Yeah, that's what I said second period. Second period said that it's not supposed to be sign, but 1. Keep the 1.
Keep the one with one.
That makes sense. Keep the one with the 1.
Keep the sign.
Guess what I wrote on my paper?
Keep the 1.
Keep
No,
the
sign.
sign of the one.
Keep the sign of the one with more.
Exact.
Then you'll be exact. So look, it's cool. It's a song. Okay, cool. I don't really sing it. All I want you to do is same sign, add, different sign, subtract. Same sign, add, different sign, subtract. That's the number one thing you have to know about adding.
And keep the sign of the one with more.
Right. Do we do any opposites here? Did I write the word opposite? No. So when you see a plus sign, you're not doing opposites. That is the number one thing that kids do. They learn the stuff from yesterday about opposites, and then they start doing opposites. And it's like, dude, what are you doing? There is no opposites in addition. Like, I don't understand. All right. Let's do some examples. Are they the same or different? Same. So negative, you're going to add. Use your fingers. What's your answer?
Negative 14.
Okay, the next one at the bottom. What kind of number is 18? Positive. Some kids kind of like get confused. They're like, I don't know what that number is. It's like, it's a positive, just like in 2nd grade. But you didn't know it was a positive. Positive, so add. What's 18 plus 5? Use those fingers. Good. Okay, the bottom one. Negative, so you're going to add. Feel free to add on the side, but what is the answer correctly stated? Yeah, if you start off with 377, I stop listening and know you're wrong. You have to start with the word negative 377. All right, the middle one. Are they the same or are they different? Negative, so they're the same, right? So you're going to add.
Negative 17.
Good. The next one. Are they the same or are they different?
Different.
This one's a negative, this one's a positive, right? So subtract 13. All right, let's do the big one. This one's a negative, this one's a positive. What are you going to do? Subtract. All All right, subtract it. Don't wait for anybody else to tell you the answer. You do it. Is it? Negative, let's see, 3, 2, 4. Negative 423. Nice.
There's no barn in that. That was light.
Okay, the next one. Positive, negative. So what are you going to do? Subtract. All right, what is 12 minus 8? 4. Do you have more positives or do you have more negatives? On the side? In your head?
Remember, I thought you were on the other side of the example. 0.
And then negative 6 plus 6 is 0. But on your homework, some of you, not all of you, some of you, right here, you said it was 0. And it's like, wait, negative 7 plus negative 7, they're not opposites, right? It's negative 14, but a couple of you in this class, you guys wrote 0, so be careful. It's only 0 if you have a positive and a negative. Okay. Did you do any opposites here? No. But what do kids start doing? They start making these opposites, and it's like, no, kids. If it has an addition sign, I'm happy. Don't be changing it. Now, yeah. What?
I think I was the one that accidentally put 0.
Sad.
I still am top G.
Subtraction.
Everyone knows.
Everyone knows subtraction.
Everybody knows.
Okay, change subtraction problems into addition
I said that.
problems by add the opposite. Now, in high school, in 8th grade, your math teacher will say add the opposite. Your 7th grade teacher likes to do it extra, says keep, change, opposite. I like keep, change, opposite in 7th grade because it like tells you what to do from the beginning. Keep the first number, change this operation, and then do the opposite. In 8th grade and in high school, they just say add the opposite. So you're supposed to remember to keep the first number, right? But as 7th graders, and we're new at this, I like to write it as keep, change, opposite, okay? If you say that to your high school teacher is going to look at you kind of weird, okay? But by then, you'll realize, like, oh, it's just add the opposite. All right. Examples. So do you guys see how there's a subtraction? So before we start doing the math, you got to get rid of that subtraction sign. Like, it's terrible. So how do I rewrite this first problem?
Negative 5 plus 8 equals 3.
Keep, change, opposite. This will be on your test, okay? We practiced yesterday, we're practicing more today, and we'll practice on Wednesday. All right, so now that we're in addition mode, I'm happy, but you go back and you ask yourself, are they the same or are they different? Different. So you're going to subtract, and you get 3. Now, I know that, wait a minute, Miss Lamelli, you just said you don't like subtraction. No, I know. I know what I said, and I stand by it. But because it says a plus sign, I'm okay with it. Even though you're subtracting, like, in your head. It's fine on your head. I just don't like to see it on paper. All right. The second one, what do I write?
Negative 18 plus negative 28.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, add or subtract? Add. What do we get? Negative 46. Oh my gosh, I forgot to write the negative. Do I still get the points? No.
And the next one's positive 32 and the last one's negative 20.
Shh. Because Miss O'Malley cares more about the work. So, 9 plus 23 equals 32.
7 plus negative 35.
7 plus negative 35. This one's a positive. This one's a negative. Subtract. Can I go on the side and subtract? Yes, you can go. Put the one with the most on the top, with more on the top. borrow. And we get 28. Go back and look at the problem. Do you have more positives or negatives? Negative, so don't forget to go back and place a negative. So there's like a lot of things you have to do, right? It's not terribly like super, oh my gosh, this is so hard. It's just, it's hard because there's so many steps. All right. Let's see.
Oh, we already had a worksheet.
I know. And this one is going to take us 2 days to do it.
Actually?
Yeah.
What if I finish in like 5 minutes?
I would love that. Here's 3. Where are all the other worksheets? Okay, put your iPad away. Yes.
Do you care about us?
No, she don't. She don't care about us one bit.
Found them.
Wait, how's this gonna take us 2 days? This looks easy.
Isn't this the same thing we did when Mrs. Travis was here?
It's very similar. It's from the same company, but different.
The negatives.
Can we just switch up subtracting and then
No, so no.
I am so smart. Gotta act right.
I'm trying to look for. I feel like I'm missing like 30 copies. Be patient. I gotta find them. Be patient. Oh, here they are. I know they were somewhere in the classroom. I just had to find them. Are we all? Did everybody get a no? Did you get one? Okay, so we need 3 more here. Thank you for your patience. Everybody has a worksheet now? Yep. All right, we're gonna start on the harder side, and then tomorrow do the easier side.
I made both of them light.
Yes. Correct. All right, subtracting integers.
Now we have to keep.
Oh, I haven't taught you this. Oh, Miss O'Malley, you're losing it. I haven't taught you how to do 3 numbers, have I?
Wait, that looks easy. I bet I can do it. Watch this. I'll get the first answer.
Okay, do the first answer.
Alright, guys.
Sorry, I need your notebook so we can take notes on this so we know what we're doing when we do this worksheet. Okay. Huh? No, I mean, we still have plenty of time. I'm sorry. I'm losing it. But I am here to teach you.
Wait a minute. Hold up. Which one am I supposed to change? The sign or the number?
Exactly. She hasn't taught us.
Boom. Negative
We're gonna go with the sign
113.
because that's how we've been doing it.
Let's go.
Negative 15.
All right.
Are we supposed to? Oh yeah, I need you to teach me.
I mean, you'll.
Actually, yeah.
Then we can copy and copy.
Oh, sorry. Just dropped your phone. Daniel? Sure. Okay, so negative 12 minus 10 minus 4. Everybody focus on the notes. I understand you want to try number 1. All right. So, you're still going to do keep, change, opposites, and then some, and more opposites. Okay? Every time you see subtraction, you're going to change it. Even if you have 1, 2, 15 subtraction signs, you're going to change all of them. So, the easiest way sometimes is to do just 2 numbers at a time. Okay? 2 numbers at a time. So, keep, change, opposite of like the first set of numbers. So how do I rewrite the first set of numbers?
Negative 12 plus negative
Richard, what are you doing?
Yes.
Me? What? You're doing yes?
Yes.
Okay, what is negative 12? Write this down. You're part of this class, so we're writing this down. Negative 12 plus negative 10 is negative 22. Okay,
Just add the negative 14.
then take this part, right? Minus 4. But do I like it written this way?
No.
Nope.
Can you rewrite it again?
Yep.
And that's your answer?
Yep.
I
So
knew
it says
that.
it's keep, change, opposite, opposite.
It's keep, change. No, wait, keep, change, opposite, change, opposite.
Keep, change, opposite, repeat.
This is so easy.
It's light. Now I know how to do everything.
How is this gonna take us
I
2 days?
literally figured all out.
No, I just need
Negative 26 should be your final answer. So you do 2 at a time, and then whatever you haven't used, you bring it straight down. So I just brought this down here.
Everyone else said negative 20.
Cool. All right, next problem.
Alright, I could do this one.
8 minus 19 minus negative 6. Write it down. 8 minus 19 minus a negative 6.
You see the end worksheet.
You better not.
Wait, why? Am I not allowed to?
No, you're doing this problem.
Oh,
That's a bro.
don't ever say that.
Okay, how do I keep change opposite the first part?
Keep 8, change negative.
No.
8 plus negative 19.
Keep change opposite. So what is 8 plus negative 19?
Oh.
8 plus negative 19.
Negative 11.
This part right here, this is 6th grade. Okay, this part's 6th grade. From here, keep change opposite, that's 7th grade. So this part is 7th grade. This part is 6th grade. Okay, so we're just adding one layer to it. Then we're going to bring this part down. So now do another keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Negative 11, what?
Plus 6.
Equals? Yep. Okay, one more problem. Negative 37 minus 40 minus 58. Negative 37 minus 40 minus 58. Yeah, no sleep. Okay. Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite, opposite. Okay, so how do I rewrite it?
37.
No.
Negative 37 plus negative 40.
Okay, 6th grade mode kicks in. Negative 37 plus negative 40 from 6th grade. What'd you get? Negative 77. That's 6th grade. The blue is 6th grade. The red is 7th grade. The red is 7th grade. Right? So now we're going to do another keep, change, opposite. If you're struggling with this, there's tutoring tomorrow after school. You have to start telling yourself or being okay with not understanding this, being like, oh, I don't get it, fine. She'll move on next week, whatever. I'll fail the test, whatever. No, because this is going to follow you in high school. It's going to follow you next year. So it's going to be like become a bigger problem for you. So you have to take the time to really understand it now, because it's going to come back in 6th grade. I mean, in 8th grade and then in high school. Okay, it's not something you can just like, who cares? I won't learn it. It's not gonna hurt me. Yes, it will. It will. All right. So, what do we got? Good. If it's too hard, I understand. That's why you didn't give me an answer. I get it. It's fine.
I was doing this worksheet.
Did I ask you to do that worksheet, or did I ask the class to take these notes?
I already did that. When you gave me the answer, I already answered it beforehand.
But you didn't tell me the answer when I said, what did you guys get?
I was doing this. I was like zoned out in the...
Gee, not what I need you to do.
Yeah, I did the work.
You know, she's the one who do the work. I mean, what?
What did you guys
You guys
have?
will do the work with us.
All right. You're not doing all of these. I will tell you which ones you're going to do, but we're all going to do number 1 together.
I only did number 1, by the way. It's just...
I only did typing.
All right. How do you rewrite the first problem?
Negative 43 plus negative 37.
All right. Negative 43 plus negative 37 is a great keep, change, opposite.
Then the answer is 80. Well, negative 80.
Negative 80. Now, then you bring down, or you can change it on the way down. If you can handle changing it on the way down, then change it on the way down. If you cannot handle changing it on the way down, then you're going to rewrite it, right? You just bring this part down and then change it to negative 80 plus negative 33. So keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. So this would be the opposites here. Changing, keep. All right, what's negative 80 plus negative 33?
115.
I thought he had the answer.
Negative 113.
Yes. Negative 113. Now, if you need to go on the side and add them, you can, right? That's okay. Yeah. All right. Ready? You're not going to do all of them. Ready to circle? Okay, circle number 12. Right in the middle. Circle number 12. Circle number 4 and 24. They're on the same line. Circle 6 and 26. 8 and 28. 10 and 30. Okay, other than 12, do you guys see the pattern? 4, 24. 6, 26. 8, 28. And 10 and 30. And 12. All right, so we have about 15 minutes. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Start those. I'm going to come around and check number 12 in about a minute, so you should be done with number 12 by the time I get to your seat. So number 12, start with number 12, do number 12, be number 12,